my question is, my grandson and Trey, he was at school one day with his head laying on his desk, and one of the little boys in his room said, "And Travian, and then they stuck him in his nose, and he said when he held up, he was trying to pull the pencil out of his nose. He didn't even see the little boy, but the whole room, but the whole
Shirley,
but the whole room was full, right? But nobody know who did it. So I believe it's a game in that classroom. And it's been 2 months ago, and they haven't got in touch with my daughter yet. It's just like they running, they trying to talk to her and find out who did it.
Who have they spoken to, Shirley, at the school?
The principal, and it took him a week after that happened. And then it took him a whole month before he started the report home of what happened.
Okay, sure.
I mean, Shirley, I don't know that you need an attorney just yet. I think it may be more something where you need to speak with the police. And I mean, this sounds like a criminal type act. And I think the first step would certainly be talking with the school system. But if you're not getting the answers there, I think speaking with local law enforcement and having them talk about that. I mean, check into it.
Little bit of pressure sometimes will work.
Opinions expressed on Law Call are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of 13 WMAZ staff or management, nor any legal or judicial entity. The legal information supplied in this broadcast is general information only and is not intended to be legal advice for any given situation. Do not rely on broadcast information without consulting an attorney. Contingent attorney's fees refers only to those fees charged by the attorneys for legal services. Such fees are not permitted in all types of cases. Court costs and other additional expenses of legal action usually must be paid by the client.